Hi, I'm George with StudioBinder, and we're back talking about production calendars. I'm going to show you today how you can change your display functions inside your calendar to reflect however your work week may change. But I'm also going to show you another really cool feature, which is our dependencies, and that allows you to display what events connect to which other events in your calendar. It's very cool and really useful, and you're going to want to use it. Let's take a look. Now here we have our production calendar. And you can see all the different events and everything going on here on display. Now, when we're talking about displays, all we're going to do is go up here to this display options button. We click on it, and now in this pop-up window, we can see our display options. So working days, this is where you get to customize which days are working days on your calendar. So say Friday is not a working day, you can uncheck it. Say you're going to work a 7-day week, which is a lot. You can check them all. And this is a really cool thing. It's a nice way to give your calendar a look that breaks it up. Your non-working days, standard or grayed out. So now when you have your non-working days grayed out, you can see on the calendar what events are overlapping weekends, and you can tell which days aren't really going to be functional for you. Say we only want to work 3 days a week, and you'll see there's only 3 work days. Every other day of the week is grayed out. So that's a pretty cool function. It's just another way you can customize the display to however you want it to look. And I'm going to show you now something about dependencies. So down here you see a little toggle switch for enable dependencies, and we'll click that. A dependency is where you want to indicate, for example, that we really can't start scheduling before we've locked shooting script. So what I do here is I'd click on this little green ball and I drag this arrow down to scheduling, connect it. So now we've connected lock shooting script with the scheduling event. So it's clear that you really can't do your scheduling until you've locked the shooting script. And if that's something you require for your production, definitely create a dependency, let everybody on your team know. I would definitely want to create a dependency between my insurance and my gear pickup. And the reason I'd create this dependency is that you can't pick up any equipment or anything from a rental house without insurance certificates. You'll be able to show exactly how things are connected. Now, if you want to turn it off because it's looking confusing to anybody, that's all you have to do. So it's that easy to create dependencies and customize your display options on your production calendar. Next time we're going to talk about filters. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do with that. I hope you found this helpful. Leave a comment and check back soon for more pro tip videos just like this one. Thanks so much.